Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to change a limit on your Capitec app. So this bank is one of the most popular banks in South Africa, and everybody loves Capitec anyway because they are cheap, their services are good and all that. Many reasons why people come to it. So if it wasn't good, nobody was going to be there. So now let's go there. It's a Capitec. Okay, once you're there, it's going to ask you to sign in. You press on that, then you touch somewhere if you're signing in using your fingerprint. Once you're in there, say confirm. Let me cancel this biometrics. Okay, then you go up down here, you tap this card, then after you say this daily limit, you can say daily limit or update permanent limit. Okay, whatever you want is what you touch on. I'm gonna touch on what on let's start with the daily limit. This is gonna be the first one. Okay, you can see now it gives me 2,000 rands. So maximum is 5,000. I would do that. 5,000. Touch here. Okay, cash withdrawals. If you go and withdraw maybe on the ATM, this is no card purchase. Okay, that when you swipe and all that. So here on the ATM or withdraw in your Capitec, in maybe in ShopRite or whatever. So I want to make it maybe 4,000 rands. 4,000, not 40,000. 4,000. Yes. After doing that, you click on update. After update, it will say update permanent limit. Following permanent limit has been set to 0. You will not be able to do transactions until increase the limit. Okay, what happened then? Let me cancel. Why it updated to 0? Okay, you can see online scan and all that. Okay, online scan to pay, all that. Okay, oh, it wants me also to do this. I'm gonna also update this. Oh, you can leave that if you want to, because I never used online on this Capitec bank. Okay, let me leave that. Let me use this only. Okay, scan whatever, confirm. Okay, that we left it to 0, no problem, but we change that first one too, and we're gonna say accept. I have read and all that. You accept that, you accept that, you accept. Tap that. Once that is done, then it will tell you confirm, put in your remote pin. Okay, what is a remote pin? It's gonna be your, okay, let me get that because there's something which is giving me trouble here. I'm gonna okay, I don't have to do that. I wanted to switch off my phone. Someone is sending me some messages. So okay, in that video we have to put in the pin. Let me take put in the pin. Okay, once I confirm with the pin, okay, I'm gonna put in the pin. Okay, I guess like I'm forgetting the pin. Let me see. I did put in the pin. Okay, after putting in the pin, let me say accept. Okay, it tells me. Okay, let me go back. Tells me to discard. Wait, guys, trying to get in the pin. You see? Yes, I'm done. I've done that. It said that remote pin, it's not the ATM pin is the pin you use for your app here. If okay, it says done. Once I'm done, when I say done, then I'm gonna go back to cards, right? Then we're gonna say we should find 4,000 there. You press on this daily limit again. Yes, you can see that our money changed. Yes, guys, that's the way you change your daily limits. You get me? So you see, even this one I left it on 0, but this one left it 4,000, 4,000. Remember this was 2,000, right? So if you also wanna update change your permanent limits, then you can go here on the second one. We do the same process and come on permanent. You can see permanent 4,000, 4,000, same thing. If you want to make maybe payments for purchase online, that's why most Capitec people, they struggle to buy online, because their cards are always set to 0. So since they are set to 0, so they can't buy. So they need to know if you find the same issue. So you have to come here and change this maybe to 2 rand or 5 rands or whatever rands you want. Let me change that. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'm gonna put to 10 rand. See, online is so dangerous, so if you put your card there, people can use it. Okay, after doing that, they will say accept. So after accept, you can't accept without selecting those 2 guys. Okay, they ask for the pin. Let me put in the pin. Once the pin is right, it's gonna give you this. Then say okay, and select it done. Then we're gonna go to what they call again to that limit. You can see that I call it daily limit. Okay, permanent limit. You can see that in permanent limit there is 10 rands for us. Yeah, no, well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the way they change the limit. See you in the next video. Bye bye.